Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee. Today we have a DeLonghi Magnifica XS with us in the shop. Now I came in for a few issues, mainly that the brew unit was jamming itself into the mechanic valve. This is usually due, here's the old mechanic valve. This is usually due to the mechanic valve breaking. There's this little sensor here. This actually tells the brew unit that it's pushed far enough upwards. And usually when the machine turns on, we're going to turn on the machine here. You will hear the brew unit first move backwards. You're going to hit that micro switch. You're going to hear a click, and then it's going to move all the way forward. It's going to push this micro switch, hit a click, and when these go bad or the mechanical valves go bad, the brew unit is not able to click, or the sensor is not able to conduct. So what would happen is the brew unit would actually just keep jamming itself into the front and causing the machine to give an error code and just be completely dead, and it won't even try to move the brew unit backwards. So what we had to do was replace the entire mechanic valve. As you can see, it definitely needed replacing. So we replaced it, and we also replaced the brew unit on the machine, just so you can have a brand new one in there. And then lastly, after that repair, I noticed I wasn't able to do a few things. I wasn't able to clear the general alarm, and I wasn't able to go into an encoder reset. So your motherboard was also acting up. And so we did replace the entire motherboard, as you can see here. After all that, we have a nice finished repair. So we're going to first turn on the machine just to kind of show that it's going to move. You're going to hear it go backwards. It hit that first micro switch, and then it's going to go forward, push into the mechanic valve, and click the button like that. Then it's going to go back into home position, and it's going to get ready to brew. Now we're going to brew a coffee. We're going to get some coffee beans here. We are going to brew let's do a double. It's going to grind its coffee. Now it's going to move into that mechanic valve. It's going to click the micro switch, telling the machine that it's pushed enough. And you're going to hear the first drops of water, and then it's going to start brewing. There you go. So this is older coffee, so don't worry about the crema being a little weak on this one, just because we're using test coffee here to test our machines. Then it's going to stop. It's going to move that brew unit into the grounds container to drop the coffee off. And now you're ready to go again. Actually, the shot came out pretty good for being old coffee. Now we're going to test both hot water and steam function. Hot water is going to come out pretty fast, as you can see. Nice and steady stream of hot water. Then we're going to turn on the steam function. It's going to slowly warm up the thermal block that you have on the left side of the machine. Once you hear that noise, you can open this up and it'll start to push steam out. We're just making sure all the functions of the machine work as intended. Looking good. Turn that off. And then we are going to turn it off, which should start a rinsing cycle once it cools off. There you go. And it's just purging that old coffee out. And it's back to normal. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell. Thanks for watching.